Let's move to us next stanza. If one wants a thing that the other would like, means if anyone from both of them has anything and that the same thing if other also want. For example, Anne has anything that the same thing if Mary also want. So Mary also wants. So what do they do? Well, what do they do? They should, what should they do? Must they quarrel and strike? Must they fight with each other or hit to each other? No. Each is so willing to give up her own. Each is ready to give up her own thing. That such disagreements are there never known. They never disagree with each other, always ready to share their things. They never argue with each other. In this stanza, poet wants to suggest us if you have anything that your sister or brother doesn't have, that time you have to share your things with them without fighting or quarreling. Now let's move to us next stanza. If one of them happens to have something nice, if one of them has anything which other also want, in that case, directly she offers her sister a slice. Directly offers her sister a slice means she immediately asks her sister if she would like to have that thing, and she gives a piece of food to her and never like some greedy children would try. Never behave like some greedy children would always try to eat a corner with nobody by. They never behave like a greedy children who do not want to share a single piece of food also with others. In this stanza also, poet wants to suggest us we have to share our favorite food also with others. Let's move to us next stanza. When Papa or Mama has a job to be done, these good little children immediately run. In this stanza, in these two lines, poet is going to tell us we have to help to our parents also. These little sisters help to their parents also in household chores. They immediately run to do any work which their parents want to tell them. Never fight with each other for doing any work, nor dispute whether this or the other should go. They would be ashamed to behave themselves so. They would be ashamed. They think that this is shameful for them not to listen the work of their parents. In this stanza, poet wants to tell us we have to obey our parents and listen their household tasks without quarreling and without fighting with each other. Turn the page. Whatever occurs in their work or their play, while playing or while doing any work, they are always ready. They are willing to yield and give up their own way. They are always ready to stop fighting and give up their own way. Pay attention towards these two lines. In these two lines, poet wants to suggest you something. Pay attention. Then now let us try their example to mind. Keep their example in your mind. Whose example? These two good little sisters. And always like them, be obliging and kind. And always try to behave like these two little sisters. Behave like these two little sisters with your parents, with your sister, with your brother. We should also behave with each other like these sisters. Always be ready to help each other and be kind with others. Students, this poem is written in very simple language. Each and every sentence is built in simple manner. Through this poem, we learned how to behave with our sister, brother, or our parents. Try to behave like